One thing that the giraffe share with the elephants is that they could sleep for lesser hours. Because the giraffe can sleep for 2 hours, like just like the elephant. Only 2 hours while standing, mostly while standing.
You're so pretty.
That is just gorgeous.
He's a male.
This is a male.
That's why he's prettier.
Yeah, brightly,
If you look at the
brightly
female,
lit up.
if you look at the forehead of the female, it's quite different from that of the male.
It's broader.
It's something like the horn, not the male.
Got an itch in his neck. I'm gonna scratch it over here.
Sorry.
Where is the elephant?
They're over there.
He's coming.
They're so graceful.
You want to come close?
If I had some cookies, I'd give it to one. I've got bread.